Welcome to another episode of Drive Away Productions. Today, we will be covering how to bore oil a wooden B-flat clarinet in 3 easy steps. Why bore oil? Bore oiling helps to moisturize and protect the clarinet from cracking. Step 1. The preparation of the clarinet. First, gather all of the needed materials. Then, cut the paper and place it underneath the pads. This paper will act as a barrier between the pads and the bore oil. Once you have placed the paper underneath all the pads, verify to make sure that none have slipped. Step 2. Bore oiling your clarinet. To protect your hands from the bore oil, you can slip on a pair of disposable gloves. Put a generous amount of bore oil on a swab, and then run the swab through the inside of the clarinet. Once done with the inside, carefully rub oil from the swab onto the outside of the clarinet. Make sure to avoid getting oil in any of the pads, as this would negatively impact their playing ability. Step 3. Curing the oil. Set the clarinet aside to absorb the oil in a warm, dry place for 2 or 3 days. After this time has passed, you can pull the clarinet out. If there is any excess oil, wipe it off. You can now store your clarinet until you are ready to play. Thanks for watching this episode of Drive Away Productions. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time.